Bienvenue au Cœur du Lion Chronicles. I'm Q.
Et moi, c'est Del.
We are so close to week 1 of the academic year, you can almost taste it.
Mais ne t'inquiète pas, à la fin de cette série, tu seras plus que prêt pour ta première année à Gladden.
And that's a promise.
Welcome to Cœur du Lion Chronicles.
L'université, c'est une expérience différente pour tout le monde. This week, we have some tips to help you prepare specifically for the first week. And we have some additional resources linked in the description box.
The key to a good day is a good start. So whether you're getting up super early to commute from out of town, you live on residence, or you're commuting from within the GTA, it's super important to start off on the right foot.
Whether you start your day with a cup of tea, a workout, a big breakfast, or even scrolling through social media, everyone needs their own morning routine. Il faut s'assurer de commencer sa matin du bon pied.
Une journée dans la vie d'un étudiant, ça peut être long. My day starts at 5 a.m. and doesn't end until midnight because I have a 4-hour commute. So for this reason, on the days that I have class, my sole focus is school.
My day's a bit different since I'm commuting from within the city. So, my day usually starts around 10 a.m. and ends at 10 p.m. Je passe la plupart de mes journées au théâtre, à Tim Hortons, et au bureau de recrutement.
You can't go to lectures or class empty-handed. Some people will carry a tote, or if you're like me, may opt for a backpack. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? I always have the following essentials with me: a pen, a notebook, my laptop, a water bottle, and a planner.
My school essentials are a laptop, earphones, pens, planner, and steel-toed boots for when I work in the theater. These may be our essentials, but check out our blog post linked below for a more extensive list of our school essentials.
Assure-toi de bien prendre soin de toi. Try to always keep a water bottle and snacks, or some change handy in case you need to run to the cafeteria.
As students, it's important to feed the brain, not just the body. Check out the links below for some good food tips.
Snacks are handy as study motivators. Use them as rewards for completing tasks or as a pick-me-up after a stressful day. Assure-toi d'en avoir dans ton sac.
Studying can only happen if you come to class prepared and can properly use the materials, so take notes that work for you.
And now it's time for your favorite part of the video, les défis de la semaine.
Challenge number 1 is to make sure that you have a screenshot of your timetable on your phone.
En utilisant les emojis, partage ce que tu mets dans ton sac d'école.
Share with us a quick, easy meal that you like to cook.
All important details and links will be in the description box below.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
À bientôt! Here comes the airplane.
That's the blooper.
My mom had to do that for me until I was like 7.